I'm Mark Jackson, and I own Blue Dolphin Engineering LLC in Fresno, California. Blue Dolphin Engineering has been in business for about 5 years. We have a wide variety of customers. We do work for retail, we do work for commercial companies. I have customers all across the country. Indian Motorcycles, Sears, Lowe's, CCV Aries. There's a number of companies at a wide range of products and machines that we develop. About a year ago, we were thinking about how we could help our customers more. We do a lot of machine design and mechanical design, and most of the work that we do is sent outside to be prototyped or machined or whatever the case may be. And some of those times for doing the prototyping was excessive, and we knew we could shorten down the lead times by actually running the parts ourselves. So we started doing a bunch of research on software and hardware that could help us do that. And one of the ones that really stood out for us was One CNC. We needed software that could handle difficult three-dimensional shapes. As you can see here, this part has some complicated surfaces on it, and a number of the products and a number of the parts that we create have very complicated surfaces, and we needed something that would allow us to create our tool paths without having to go through a lot of gyrations, a lot of work to machine the parts. And then one of the other things that was extremely important was we were looking for value. We noticed that having some experience and evaluating some of the other softwares that there were some very expensive softwares that didn't necessarily have all the features that we needed or that we were going to rely on to make this work. After we had evaluated One CNC, I knew that this could help us make this whole program work. We knew that One CNC allowed us to go straight from design into the CAM software and straight to cutting parts without even creating drawings. We've created a number of prototype parts straight from our CAD design software straight into metal without even having to create drawings. And it makes the design cycle extremely short, and it makes it a very valuable tool. We know that if we run a simulation, for example, that if the simulation says that the part's going to run okay, that we're not going to have any rapid tool problems or crashes, that we can trust the software to run the machine, and we'll get successful runs. After we did quite a bit of evaluating, we decided to try One CNC. We got quite a few assurances from the company and made us feel pretty comfortable with trying it out. We knew that we had to have the right CAM software to make this work, and there's no question now, after we've used it for a few months, that we made the right decision.